Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to open and see if this one is screwed up too. Okay, so zoom in right here, and you can tell. See this? It's broken loose. See that piece there broken loose? Can you see that?
Yes.
That means this one is broken, we have to fix it. Okay? I'm going to set that aside and I'm going to look at the next one. Okay, here's one I already took the package off of. And this is the left side. So here we take and remove this. You see how that's broke? You see that?
Yeah.
Okay, this one's broke. We'll have to fix it. And here's one here that we opened up a little earlier and it's broke. And we have to fix that one, okay? Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to fix this one, and then we'll do the other ones after we get done with this one. If you want to come here a second, I'll show you what a good one looks like. Yeah, where's a good one? Here's a good one up here. If you take a look over here, look up at this one. That one is not broke. That one was in position when we got it and put it up. So that one is fine. But let's take a look at another one over here. This is one I had to fix. And what we'll be doing to the other ones to fix it. If you can see, let's go over to this one. It's not so bright in the sun. If you can see up there, it's got tape. Does that one have tape on it or not? No. No? This one does here. See all the tape on it there? Can you see right there? The tape? Did you see it? No? How about now? Now can you see it up there?
Point to it.
Right there. All the tape.
Oh yeah.
Okay, that tape is what we had to do to fix that one, okay?
Alright.
Okay. Now, stop it. Pause it. Have to loosen up at the top some so we have some room to work in here. And what we're going to do is we're going to put heavy duty tape in here. And I'm going to put 4 little pieces. On each of these little metal edges. And I'm going to use 2 longer pieces and 2 more longer pieces to hold the thing in place once we get a little further. Okay, first thing I'm doing, you're going to have to come here. And you're going to have to take the video right down in here where I'm at. Okay, we got to get this out of the way so we can actually work in here. Okay. I start, put a little tape on each one of these metal edges so that if anything starts rubbing, it won't cut a hole through the cords. Plus, this piece, when it goes back in there, will actually fit tighter. And that's the whole problem, is the piece broke off from the spool up above. Here's where it broke. right there and right there during shipment or at the factory, or who knows. And okay, now I have a little protector and a little spacer in there. I'm going to take this, stick it down back in there, hook up one edge, and another edge. Now if I push too hard, it'll fall right back through because it's no longer attached to this piece, which it should be. Pause it a second, right? Come over here. Okay, and you see when this broke off from here initially, this slid out. So you have to make sure when you're going to get it back in there that you get this back over. And see how this does not want to hold in place? And eventually these cords will be up against the metal piece unless you fix something like this. So what I'm doing now is I'm taking some more of this tape and making it so I can run it through here, pulling it up through, secure it here, and then run it up in here, down in here. You have to get down in here and take a look, so that it will hold that in place. I've got to do the same thing on this side. So I'll take this piece like this, and this like this. Run it on this side of the thing. Get in there. I'm going to slide it over for now so I can get the tape up in through there. Pull it up through. Tape it onto something. Get back over here to this side. Tape this onto something. And I'm going to use these just to secure it a little better. Now, I'm not worried about this showing because there's a cover plate that covers most of this. And what I'm doing is I'm getting this so that these two cords will travel freely up and down through here and will not bind. And will not wear on the metal part. Okay, turn off. And just to let you know, we found some of these extra pieces which we have no idea where they're from. Okay? But we're going to fix these things here again, and we're going to put them up and see if we can tell where these pieces here are going. Thank you. Shut up.